Here we're in the Cellock booth. Here we are creating technologies for soldiers. We are in the force multiplier for the soldier. Here you can see a portable UAV that has artificial intelligence capabilities, can detect target in 230 grams. We have various technologies for soldiers, for ISR and defense. And here you can see it's the next generation of artificial intelligence payloads for UAVs. This is made in Cyprus. It's enabling UAVs to fly in GNSS denied environments, completely autonomous, and it enables also the next generation of drones to do completely autonomous missions with embedded artificial intelligence on a low power module. This is a start of a line of products from Cellock towards artificial intelligence at the edge, and this is for UAVs. We are planning to launch products for UGVs, USVs and underwater vehicles.